Ooh. Interesting. Okay. Molly. Now that it's nicer out, I think we're gonna go on some more walks with Molly. Since Molly likes to sniff and smell everything, a walk around the block is like 30 minutes. This morning on our walk, we found a free chainsaw. It'll go great with the amazing weed whacker I found last year on the side of the road.
Instead of lunch today, I'm going to the gym.
Would you look at this shit? Literally? Look at. I went to the car wash this morning. Where's my puppy? Where's my puppy?
There's Molly.
Come on, puppy.
Oh, hi. Hi.
I know.
Oh, hi. Ooh.
Molly, how was your day? How was your day? Did you go to the bank and do your deposit? Yeah, it's not funny. Okay. If you guys watched the last vlog, I was talking about the record player that I bought on Craigslist. Well, that I was going to buy on Craigslist. I did. Oh, hi, Molly. It's alright. Did I not pay enough attention to you before? Hello. What were we talking about? Oh, the record player. If you watched the last vlog, I was talking about purchasing a record player from Craigslist. Well, I did. And it's awesome. Here it is. I got it. It's my Onkyo CP1027F. It's a fully automatic direct drive record player. It's awesome. It's a major step up from my last one. Only $50, and these things are expensive if you look for them on like eBay. But ready? Here we go. Pretty happy with it. Pretty cool. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks very much. Don't forget to check out the song of the day and the past vlogs and the Facebook and all that stuff. Find me. See ya. Bye.